Good morning, dear students. Let us now we start a new chapter: alcohols, phenols, and ether. First of all, we talk about the alcohols. What is alcohols? When a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon or aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by hydroxyl group to form alcohols. For examples, we take the examples of methane CH4. The hydroxyl group is replaced one hydrogen atom to form CH3OH. This is methanols. How to replace these H groups? These OH groups comes to near carbon atoms and replace hydrogen atoms to form CH3OH. Their name will be methyl alcohols or simply called methanol. Similarly, we take another examples, ethane. In the ethane molecules, hydroxyl groups comes to this carbon atom and replace hydrogen atoms to form ethyl alcohols. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 into OH. CnH2n plus 1 is the alkyl groups, and so we also write ROH, their general formula. R is alkyl groups like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. The examples of methanol, ethanol, propanol, and butanol. And now discuss classification. Alcohols may be classified as mono, di, tri, or polyhydric compounds depending on whether they contain 1, 2, 3 or many hydroxyl groups respectively in their structure. If OH group present only in methyl and ethyl, so it is the monohydric alcohols. If two OH groups are present in the adjacent carbon atoms, CH2OH, CH2OH, these two OH groups present in the different carbon atoms, so this is the dihydrics. These three hydroxyl groups, that is OH group, present in different carbon atoms, this is known as trihydric. Two OH groups are not present in the same carbon atom because to form water molecules and also replace it. Okay. Monohydric alcohols further classified according to the hybridization of the carbon of hydroxyl group. First, compounds containing sp3 hybridization. This class of compounds further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols. If the carbon atoms containing OH groups present one alkyl groups or two hydrogen atom, this is known as primary alcohols. And these carbon atoms containing OH groups having two alkyl groups, either same or different, with one hydrogen atom, this is known as secondary alcohols. These carbon atoms have three alkyl groups, no any one hydrogen atoms, so this is the tertiary, that is 3-degree alcohols. We also write their functional group. This is the primary alcohols, CH2OH, CHOH, secondary alcohols, and C triple bond OH, this is the tertiary alcohols. Okay students, all these carbon compounds containing sp3 hybridization because all the carbon atoms are bonded with single bonds. Next, second, allylic alcohols. What is allylic alcohols? The OH group is attached to sp3 hybridization carbon to next carbon-carbon double bonds. That means The OH groups present in sp3 hybridization and next carbon containing carbon-carbon double bond, that is sp2 hybridization. So this is the primary allylic alcohols. This one is the secondary allylic alcohols, and this is the tertiary. This is the tertiary allylic alcohols. Okay. So you also know the carbon atoms containing OH group and next carbon is must be contain carbon-carbon double bonds. So it is the allylic alcohols, and this carbon atoms depends on the number of alkyl group. This carbon atom containing 3 alkyl groups, so it is the tertiary allylic alcohols. Next, benzylic alcohols. In this type of compounds, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon next to aromatic ring. Okay, next to aromatic ring. For examples, this is the primary benzylic alcohols, this is the secondary benzylic alcohols, and this is the tertiary benzylic alcohols. You see here the carbon atoms contain OH groups and having a one aromatic ring, 2 OH groups. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized 1, 2, 3, 4. So their lobes are present in 4, S1 and P is 3. So total number of hybrid orbital is 4. Similarly, this carbon atom contains 2 alkyl groups. One is the methyl groups and one is the phenyl groups. But it also present in carbon hydrogen carbon single bonds. So it is also a sp3 hybridization. Next, tertiary. These carbon atoms contain only alkyl and phenyl groups, no any hydrogen atoms. So it is the tertiary and sp3 hybridizations. And second types of compounds containing sp2 hybridization or CsP2OH bond. So first, vinylic alcohols. What is vinylic alcohols? In this type of compounds, the OH group is directly attached to carbon-carbon double bond, is called vinylic alcohols. Simply you learn the OH group is directly attached carbon-carbon double bond is called vinylic alcohols. Okay students, CH2 double bond CHOH, this is the vinylic alcohols. If this is the aromatic ring, also present multiple bond, alternates, single, double, single, double, single. So this their name will be phenols. This is the aromatic alcohols. And let us now how to write their name in the UPSC system. Nomenclatures. Generally we use the two types of nomenclatures. First, common name, and second, IUPAC system or IUPAC name. How to write their common name? Generally we use alkyl plus alcohols, that is the alkyl alcohols. And IUPAC name, alkane. This alkane replaced by OL and E, so their name will be alkanol. Okay students. In IUPAC system, the name of alcohols is derived from the name of alkane by substituting E of alkane with the suffix OL. क्या यूज करेंगे हम लोग सफिक्स में? OL यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. Alkane replaced by OL, that is the use on suffix and replace E to form alkanol. We take examples, then you understand clearly. This is the CH3OH, that means their number of carbon atom is 1, so their name will be methane. E is replaced and add OL. Why? Because OH group is present. So their name will be methanol, ethanol, number of carbon atom present 2. So ethanol, propanol, propanol, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Number of carbon atom present is 3. 2, the OH group is present in second position. So their name will be starts either here and either there. So propan 2-ol. Butane 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2, 3 diol. 2 hydroxy group present in the different atoms. So in the chemistry we use di for 2. Okay, and OL is the hydroxyl groups we use in the suffix. We take also another examples. 1, 2, 3. So we use 2-methyl propan 2-ol. Here is present 1, 2, 3. Propan 1, 2, 3 triol. How many hydroxy group are present here? 3 hydroxy group are present here. So we use 1, 2, 3. Propan. How many number of carbon atom? 3. So we use propan 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay. I hope you understand the nomenclature. Then we go to explain method of preparation of alcohols. How to prepare alcohols of the different substance. First we use from alkenes. How to form alcohols from alkene? First, by acid catalyzed hydration with Marconics of rules. Dear students, you know that what is Marconic of rules. The Marconic of rules are used in unsymmetrical alkene or alkyne. The negative part goes to that carbon atom which is least substituted hydrogen atom. Similarly, in this reaction occurs here, the carbon-carbon double bond, it is the symmetrical alkene, reacts with water molecules. So these water molecules can get dissociate H plus and OH minus, OH minus. So either get in this carbon atom OH or either get in this carbon atom. So our product will be formed C single bond OH single bond H. Okay. C, for example, CH2 double bond CH2. H2 is dissociate H plus and OH minus. So H plus ion transfer either this carbon or this carbon because it is the symmetrical. So no problem here. Our product will form CH3 CH2 OH. But we take the unsymmetrical alkene. For example, propene. Their name will be propene. Reacts with water molecule in the presence of acid. H plus means acid. So H plus ion can get more number of hydrogen atom in the unsymmetrical alkene, and OH group can transfer the lesser number of hydrogen atom to form major product propan 2-ol. Okay. Okay. How to reaction occurs? Their mechanism will be also right here. Protonation of alkene by attack of H3O plus. So this is the water molecules react with acids. This H plus ion can achieve the H2O molecules. In this H2O molecules having 2 lone pair of electron present. So this lone pair electron can donate and form the H3O plus. Okay, students. And these H3O plus can react with alkene C double bond C HOH plus. So this bond can break down and form H. This is the formation of HC converted the single bonds, and here is the form of carbocation C plus. This is known as carbocation, and remove 1 molecules of water H2O. Okay. Then second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocations. This carbocation is unstable, so reaction will be fast in next step. Okay, this is the carbocation react with water molecule. The reaction will very fast and form H C, single bond C, single bond O, H plus. Then after some times reaction have need to deprotonation to form an alcohol. C, H, single bond C, bond O, H2 plus. So this H2O is also accept this H plus ion and to form C, single bond C, single bond OH. This is the alcohols and also dissociate, also produce H3O plus ion. Okay students, the first techniques to formation of alkene and also write their mechanism. Then next, by hydroboration oxidation. In this reaction, generally diboron reacts with alkene to give trialkyl boron as a addition product. This is oxidized to alcohol by H2O2 in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxides. So we take a simple examples. Propene. This propene reacts with diboron B2H6. Okay students. So this B2H6 just like we use in anti-Markovnikov rules. So this is the H plus ion. This is the H plus ion can transfer the lesser number of hydrogen atoms. So CH3, CH2, this H can get here CH2 and convert single bond CH2 and BH2. Similarly, reaction goes to next step, propene. This H also replace here and this H can get here and CH3, CH2, CH2 whole to BH. After some time also react propene to form B, CH3, CH2, CH2 whole 3 and then oxidized in the presence of hydrogen peroxide H2O2. H2O2, okay, and H2O in the presence of aqueous OH minus ion. So our product will be formed CH3, CH2, CH2OH and other product will also form boron trihydroxides. Boron trihydroxides, okay. This is the two major product for major product of alcohols by the reaction of alkene. Next, from carbonyl compounds. Okay, from carbonyl compounds. First, by reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced to form corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in the presence of metal catalyzed or sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride. Okay students, for examples, carbonyl compounds means either aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, etc. So first we react aldehydes RCHO. This is the aldehydes are reduced in the presence of metallic catalyst like palladium, nickel and platinum. So this hydrogen can add here, one is the carbon atom and one is the oxygen atoms and to form alcohols. Simply you learn here, if the aldehydes are reduced to form alcohols. For example, acetaldehyde can get reduced in the presence of palladium to form primary alcohols. This is the primary alcohols, student. So we know that aldehydes gives the primary alcohols and ketone gives the secondary alcohols. How to react? RCOR dash. This is the general formula of ketone and reduced in the presence of sodium borohydrides. This is the stronger reducing agent. So this hydrogen can add one carbon atom and one another is oxygen atoms and to form RCHOH R dash. This is the secondary alcohols. We take another example, acetone plus H2, sodium borohydride, CH3COH HCH3. This is the secondary alcohols. Ketone gives secondary alcohols. Okay, students. And next, by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. Okay, carboxylic acids are reduced to give primary alcohols in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, a strong reducing agents. So this is the primary alcohol can get reduced lithium aluminum hydride to lose 1 molecules of water and to form RCH2OH. Okay, students. For example, CH3COH, ethanoic acid are reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydrides to remove 1 molecules of water and to form CH3CH2OH. Okay. Next, RCOH react with alcohols to form ester. Their general formula of ester RCOOR-. This ester can get hydrogenations in the presence of catalyst to give RCH2OH, and other is also form alcohols. So this is the method are used to preparation of alcohols. Okay. And next, from Grignard reagent. What is the general formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halides. Alcohols are produced by the reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehydes and ketones. Okay, students. So this is the carbonyl group reacts with alkyl magnesium halide. This is the used in nucleophilic addition. So this is the negative charge species. This is the alkyl groups, and here is the partial positive charge, and oxygen have the partial negative charge. So this nucleophilic addition can get in this carbon atom and to form adduct RCO minus Mg plus X. This is the further hydrolysis in the presence of water to form RCOH. Another product is MgX and OH. Okay, students. Okay, next we take another examples. This is the formaldehydes or methanol reacts with RMgX to form RCH2OMgX. Further hydrolysis in the presence of water to form RCH2H. Another product MgXOH. You see all examples are similar, simple. In these compounds, for examples, we take the ketones. Ketone, their general formula RCOR dash. Either R and R dash either same or different. So this R dash is act as the nucleophile to form. We take double dash. Okay. So R dash and R double dash may be same or different. Further hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohols. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.